Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your display right now. Once it is, all you need to do is hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with the pop-up and a screen shake apparently. And as you've seen, it disappears after a moment. Now I'm going to capture one more because there were a couple options visible right here, like share, edit, and scroll. Scroll actually allows you to capture a longer version of a screenshot. So as an example, just to explain this, if we open up something like settings, we can scroll down in the settings, and this would allow us to capture initial screenshot that would be visible from the top to the bottom, along with then scrolling down, which would capture this additional portion that would not be visible by default in a normal screenshot. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application. I'm gonna open it up. No, I don't want to update, so no. Allow access. Allow. I don't want to update, so please be gone. Okay, so Google is being an annoying little piece of something. So I'm going to show you this through a different method. As you can see, the photos are visible, I believe, somewhere here. If not, you could navigate to the albums, and in albums you'll find a screenshot album. But because I would have to update the damn photos right here, I'm gonna show you this through a file manager, just to show you the actual captured screenshot. So let me quickly find the file manager, whatever it is, or however it's called in here. Files, okay, there we go. So we have files, and here we can navigate to images and update later, and we have screenshot album visible in here as well. I'm gonna do it with the view and edit because, you know, Google will want to update. So here are these ones. There we go. So this is the screenshot that I have captured, and this one as well. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.